Welcome guys, in this video we will learn how to add effects in music videos.
Never slow up, no I don't take Never slow up, no I don't take I got no love.
So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see I have already added a marker. You can use marker to cut your video to adjust with the beats. Hold Ctrl or Command K. Hold Shift and right arrow. Ctrl or Command K. Now delete this layer. Hold Alt or Option and drag. Now select the middle layer. Press Ctrl or Command R. Now see the effects, guys. Render it for a smooth playback. Now check this out. Let's go to another effect. By press Shift and E, you can see I have two layers. Now you have to cut upper layer with the beats. Go one frame, Ctrl K, go one frame, Ctrl or Command K. Now delete this. Let's check.
No I don't take Never slow up, no I don't take Never slow up, no I don't take I don't ever slow up, no I don't take
We are done. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you in next video.